Assalamu alaikum. Day 10. Welcome to Qul and our daily dua.
Allahumma aghfir li warhamni wahdini warzuqni wa'afini.
O Allah, forgive me. Have mercy on me. Guide me. Provide for me. And grant me good health. Ameen.
Repeat this dua today. Share it with your loved ones and subscribe to Qul for daily supplications and reminders.